I like everything except for the... Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying all the Korean snacks that we can find. So come on, this is too much now. We've come to the biggest supermarket that we have seen since we've been in Busan.
Korean snack heaven. We have googled what are the best snacks here in Korea, so we're going to go off that and just grab everything.
This is a lot.
We also have a long train ride tomorrow, so this is working perfectly for us.
Yep, train snacks.
Anyway, subscribe and
like,
let's
go get some snacks.
I said snacks. I know where they are.
How do you know?
I saw them through the window. Korean snack heaven.
Where do we even start?
I have no idea.
Did you look up this?
Yeah.
Like, what is that? What is this?
Now, no. Oh, David, this was on the list. This was on the list, but no,
should we get the value pack?
A big one. Let's try and look for a small one.
But don't forget this is dinner as well.
Yes.
So we might need 18. Oh, there's an even bigger one. 30.
You wanted cake, you got cake. Now eat it.
Apparently shrimp crackers is a thing, so we can see some shrimp crackers here and we can see some over there. So I don't know if we're going to get the same name brand. Hopefully we can find it, otherwise we'll just grab the shrimp chips. Yeah.
We've made a rule for ourselves that we're not allowed to use our translator app until we get this stuff home. So we just got to go off the pictures and whatever else we can deduct information from. This is a really comprehensive snack section by any country standards. There's just a lot in here.
So we found honey butter chips. I don't know if it's the same thing. Honey butter chips?
Cool.
But there's a pack of 3. I don't know if it comes in just one.
No, I think they only come in packs of 3.
No.
No, Sarah put it in.
3! Oh my goodness.
Fried chicken snacks. There's no way it can taste like that picture. Okay. Oh, is this? This is tteokbokki. You had this on your list.
Did I?
Yeah.
We're also gonna just try and find random stuff that has the Korean language on it, and we're just gonna try it out.
What could this possibly be? It's got directions to like fry it in cheese or something.
Should we get Doritos because they've got Korean writing on it?
This, I'm thinking, is some sort of a seaweed batter peanut. I am looking forward to this train ride tomorrow.
Wasabi?
Oh, yum.
Should we get that?
Is it shrimp?
It says crab. Well, I don't know if it says crab, but it's got a crab on it.
Sarah, come on, this is too much now. We have to finish all this.
Oh, you wanted to get about 5,000 of the honey butter, so...
I mean, we've got to have some variety, but this is pushing it.
Okay, we need to get the choco stuff. Should we move on to the sweet now? Looking for those, like, choc biscuit things, but a smaller box. And then we're also looking for... There's like these chocolate sticks or something. Matcha cookies? Don't know about what. This one, is that the same?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's the same.
Hear me out on this one.
Oh my goodness,
I
look at
know.
her basket, guys, and she still wants more.
No, I know this is Doritos, but it's seasoned garlic chicken, and I feel like that's very Korean. And also, it says world #1. Don't you want to try the world's #1 Doritos?
Put it in.
Okay.
I think we're done. Like, this is a lot. This is going to be breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next few days, I reckon. Oreo cereal. I mean, now I've heard of everything.
How much do you reckon it's going to be?
It's like $80.
My guess is 50,000 won. David's is 80,000 won. It's going up. It's going up. Not bad at all. 31,000 won. Pretty good. Pretty happy with that.
So far, we have one more thing that we need to grab on our way home.
Which could be pricey. Ice cream. There are so many different types of ice cream. We might get one, but it's looking like it might be two. This one? Might get this one. And I'm gonna be really cheeky and get this one.
Got to keep in shape somehow, guys. Round's the shape, right?
Alright, 3 for 1, so we have to get another one. What a shame. 감사합니다.
This feels familiar because this is the exact same position that we were in for our mukbang video, which if you didn't see that, check it out up here. It was really, really good. We tried a lot of fried chicken, so check that out. But today, we're trying snacks, and we have got quite the selection.
Apparently some of these are the best snacks in Korea. Alright, should we start off with savoury and then go sweet?
I feel like we should start off by getting rid of some of this stuff off here.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to pick that up.
No, I'm gonna have to pick that up.
Awkward!
Very awkward.
Let's start with the first thing on our list.
I have no idea what this has to do with turtles, but I hope it doesn't have too much to do with turtles.
Let's try at the same time.
Sweet corn and onion.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's like,
Whoa.
it's like sweet,
There's a lot.
savory. There's a lot going on in these chips.
I'm confused.
This is like a really like wafery, sort of light, fluffy texture.
Wow. So when you first start eating it, it's savoury. And then it just becomes super sweet. Right?
Quite moreish. Right, next. If we got the right thing, then this is supposed to be tteokbokki.
If you want to see David trying the real thing of this, click up here. We went to, I think it was Gwangjang Market in Seoul, and David tried the real thing.
I've eaten it a few times since then as well. It smells like it.
Really? Can I smell?
It instantly smells like it.
It definitely does smell like it.
One for you.
Ow. Cheers.
One for me. Cheers. They could be my new favourite chips.
That is so good.
I love the crunch. I love the hearty crunch. Got that
It's quite sweet.
sweetness from Korean cooking. Does have that sweetness in it.
And it's spicy.
Really nice and spicy.
Love the spice in it. Really good. Again, I feel like these could be quite addictive.
These ones are some kind of a corn snack. Did you have to destroy the packet? Similar.
Very similar.
Similar, but I think I prefer these ones.
Very similar. They all got sweetness in them so far.
So far.
Next up is the shrimp cracker. This one, I'm going to be honest, I'm not too sure how I'm going to feel about it. If it smells fishy, I don't know. Don't tell me.
It's got a fishy smell.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
But not in a bad way. Just like prawn cracker kind of smell.
Let's go.
I don't love them. I don't love them. Definitely tastes like shrimp though.
I mean, I feel like it's our fault because the shrimp cracker.
Yeah,
like, what
obviously.
else?
Well, we had to try it.
Yeah, I just think I don't
Didn't
know.
expect it to be so shrimpy maybe.
You know what it tastes like? Fish food. You know that stuff that you like?
Tastes like
Fish
that
food.
smells, yeah.
Yeah. Next up is
Okay. Like, we ever gonna stop?
Choco pie. It doesn't actually say choco pie in it. Maybe it does, but it's
Maybe
just
it
in
does.
Korean. David is excited about these, I can tell. He didn't tell me that he's excited about them, but I feel that you're excited about them, alright?
Individually wrapped, that's
Nice.
cool.
Oh.
Okay, I'm trying it first. I wasn't expecting it to be soft like cake.
It's like cake.
I thought it was going to be like biscuit and marshmallow. It's cake and marshmallow.
That's what I thought.
That's
This
really good.
would be good with like a cup of tea. Like a nice cup of tea.
We have 12 of these to get through in the next 2 days.
If you guys are in Seoul, can we get some off us?
Yo, floaties.
Next up is Pepero. Lot Pepero. I think it's like chocolate sticks or something.
It's another sweet one.
Ooh.
What
Cheers.
is this? Hey, you break it. Hey. Really good.
I've had these before in South Africa.
It's almost like a pretzel that's straight but covered in chocolate.
Are these in Australia?
No.
But like
I've never seen them.
different type.
Really good.
Is that like dark chocolate?
I think so.
The next snack I'm super excited to try because people online said you're not living if you have not tried these chips. What have we got, honey?
Well, speaking of honey butter chips. They look like a regular potato chip.
I'm first.
Whoa. That is a combination that I have never.
It's like butter popcorn.
It's like you really get a lot of butter flavor, but then it's super sweet. It's really good. I really like it. I mean, it's the type of chip that you have to be in the mood for. A lot of the time when I'm going for chips, I'm going for something savory.
Same.
But as far as the flavor goes,
It's really good.
it's really good.
I really like it.
Last mouthful. We're being a bit of a pig now.
Oh yeah.
Can you please bring it a little bit?
No. There were some other things on the list, but we couldn't find them.
Yeah. So these are some other things that just, caught our eye. These are wasabi, but they also have a picture of a crab on them. So I'm hoping they're not as crabby as the shrimp was shrimpy. They're good. Just like wasabi chips, but they're in the shape of a crab. Gotcha.
Literally wasabi in a chip.
If you like wasabi, you will love these.
This
They're
would go
so
well
good.
with like a sour cream sauce.
I think they're good just how they are.
Like a sour cream dip.
I love wasabi. Every time I eat sushi, I eat so much wasabi until I cry.
We got some seasoned garlic chicken Doritos. #1 in the world, apparently.
Not good.
They taste like your honey soy kettle chips, but like Dorito version.
But in a corn chip. I'm a fan.
I
Who
feel like
doesn't love a good corn chip?
no, these Korean, by the way. Let us know in the comments below. And let us know what is your favorite Korean snack because we'd love to try it.
This is all we have left? Oh yeah. Alright, we have some grape looking,
Sour.
maybe like a sour strap type, candy type thing. I'm not too sure.
Ooh, sour.
Very sour. Definitely a candy.
I like it.
It's good. Good flavour. Good sour hit.
I love it. No, that's a good sour candy. Get onto these.
Yeah,
Really
I would get
good.
them. I would get them again.
Those are mine for the train.
Okay, the best I can tell, these might be some sort of a battered peanut, but with seaweed in the batter. What? They look like little quail eggs.
Ew.
They're rattly.
Ew. Look at the babies in there.
Really interesting combination with the peanut, and then the nori, and then the seasoning. Got a sweetness to it like most things do, but then also this savory seasoning. Really good. One more thing. Okay.
So, this apparently is like a very popular Korean ice cream.
It's actually on the bag of the corn chips we tried. It looks like a corn cob.
What?
I didn't get a proper bite.
Yes, you did.
That is so good. I love it. You know what the outside tastes like? Or feels like kind of like a stale cone. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, but I really like it. Don't judge me.
Is that corn ice cream?
And then it's like the inside is ice cream wrapped in a layer of chocolate, but it's corn ice cream. And you wouldn't believe how good it is.
I never
So
thought
good.
corn ice cream would be this good.
This would 100% be my go-to ice cream in South Korea. I
Wow.
love it. It's so good.
Next up is one of these. I think it's just like a normal cornetto ice cream. You got your own.
I'll literally go and get the other one out of the freezer.
This is so good.
Really good. Really good.
Why would you do that? That's fine.
So good.
That's fine. As you can see, our table has been cleaned. So we're going to leave you guys here. We hope that you enjoyed the video. Tomorrow we are heading on a train back to Seoul.
And we have plenty of snacks for the trip.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming along. It's been really fun and delicious trying all these different things. And we really enjoy it. We hope you guys enjoy it too. If you do enjoy it, make sure you hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.